them directly to Putin in their phone call constitute terms of a settlement that could have been written in the Kremlin. Maybe they were written in the Kremlin and got out in propaganda channels, but it's a complete reversal of the U.S. and NATO position on a number of issues. For example, up until today, the Russian negotiator who used to greet